everyone, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and all will be doing hard work for your dream. So, once again, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to share very interesting and very inspiring things to all of you because in the morning time, I and my sister were discussing that how can I become an English teacher without planning it. Yes, guys, I was very weak in English. I was not knowing that I would be teaching English language in the future to the others. I was not knowing, and without planning it, I started learning English. So, I'm going to share all my story in this video. So, I'm going to share my journey, my story in this video. So, watch this video completely so that you could know something about yourself, about your journey. If you have not started doing anything, so from this video you will just start doing your work. So guys, my journey start from 2023. Yes guys, I started learning English language in 2023, but that time I had no idea that why I want to learn English. I was not knowing anything. So without planning it, I started. I really don't know that how did I start. I was not thinking that I was very weak, but I was when I was in a school, I was very weak in English. So I was weak. I was not interesting in this language. I did not have any interest to learn English language or to be English speaker. I was not knowing anything, and I was not wanting this. So my journey started from 2023. I started learning English, and that time really I did not plan anything. So when I started, I was just doing practice of watching videos, learning English just by. I was not speaking, but I was always busy to watch videos. Always whatever I was doing while working, while going, while eating food, while doing anything, I was in English environment in my mind. I had created English environment in my mind, but this is the journey of English language that I started. But before that, I want to share some clips of my life. So before that, in 2023, I was in depression, and because of that, I was about to end my life. I was about to end my life. I was not knowing anything. I was not wanting to do anything. I was just thinking that my life has ended. Now nothing is left. Something bad happened that time. That's why I was in the depression, and I was not any kind of living being that time. I was living, but from my inside, I was dead. From my inside, I was not living. So, guys, my journey start from 2023. So that time I was not aware that time I was not aware that why should I learn English? What will be the reason? मतलब in future I would be teaching English. I was not thinking about that. मतलब ये आइडिया ही नहीं था कि इंग्लिश सीख कर मैं सिखा पाऊंगी. मतलब कुछ था ही नहीं दिमाग में. बस जो वीडियोस आती थी इंग्लिश की वो वीडियोस देखना मैंने शुरू किया. तो जर्नी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है. मेरे पास खुद तो मोबाइल फ़ोन नहीं था इन 2023 जून के महीने में. आई got this mobile phone, this Android mobile phone. I got this, and just when I got this mobile phone, when I installed YouTube, when I made my Google account. So first video I got from Ajay sir, who is from Persona Institute. So I got his video, and I clicked on his video because he was teaching on the board, on the whiteboard. He was writing something, and I just clipped on that video, and I started watching him. I started looking their students. They had so many, and they have so many students who wants to learn English. So somewhere or the other from their channel, from their students, I got motivation that there are so many students who wants to learn English. So that time I was thinking that if English is this much important, so I should also start learning. In future, I will need it. When I go in college, I will need to learn English. So why not now? So I started when I just completed my school. So in 2023, so I started learning English just by watching videos. But अभी अभी के बारे में अगर बात करें तो अभी कॉल्स आते हैं और मैसेजेस मिलते हैं, सो दे ऑलवेज आस्क ओनली वन क्वेश्चन, एंड दैट इज हाउ कैन यू लर्न इंग्लिश, यू आर फ्रॉम विलेज, हाउ कैन यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट. For us it is really very difficult to start our journey. How can you start? So guys, I just want to say one thing, that if you are thinking to start something, so start doing that. If you wait, if you feel that you have no confidence, if you just doubt on your abilities, on your confidence, on your abilities, so you will just doubt on that, you will never start. So in the morning time I got a call from a learner. So she was saying that I'm a principal, I'm a professor of my college, but I don't know English. What should I do? But so I was feeling very honored that I am in this age. Just in 2023, I started learning English, and now I'm able to teach English to the professor of a college. It means a lot for me. It means really a lot. She called me to learn English. I want to learn English from you. I don't know why. I feel that I'm not that much fluent in English. I don't know so many things in English. I know only basic things. But she wants to learn English from me. But she wants to learn English from me. It means really a lot for me. One day I started learning English without any reason, without any planning. But this time I have target, I have goal, that that day I was not thinking about the future, that in future I would be teaching English. But it is a reality. Whatever you are doing in present time, in future you will need this. In my past, I was learning English, but I was not knowing that I would be teaching English in the future. But this time I teach English. It is reality. So, in this time, whatever you are doing, that is going to be reality in your future. That is going to be a something in your future. So, do whatever you are doing. So, focus whatever you are doing in this present time, because this time your work is going to be your future. In your future, you will tell about your story in future. Whatever you are doing this time, focus your, just give your 100% to your work. Whatever you are in future, you could tell about your past, your story. Okay, you should not have your created story, you should have your own story, so that in future you will motivate other, you will inspire other only by your own story. So my main purpose to make this video is that in the morning time I was just thinking about my past, that I was not knowing anything. Suddenly, this thing came in my mind, and I started learning English. And in this time, I'm going to teach English to the professor of a college. It means really a lot. You accept or not, but I need to accept it. It means really a lot for me and for those all girls who is from village area and who just want to do something. Dear sister, start from today onwards. Whatever you are doing in future, you will have result. If you are not doing anything this time, you are just thinking, then in future you will not have anything. Okay, so this was the reason of making this video. I hope that you got inspiration, you got motivation after watching this video. If you have any doubt, so you can easily ask to me in the comment box. I will reply you. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching this video.